This video we will show how to generate the program after the designing. And we insert the UDisk into the control panel, and then we will press program. We press program until this will show. And you can see the right side, the left column is the UDisk file, and the left column is the CDisk is the control file. The file was saved in the control system, and we will use the Alt button to choose UDisk, and we will see our designing file is pdldir.dxf file, and we will choose this file, and we press output, and the control system will let us input the file name, and we will input for example 0777, and then and we will press input, and then copy succeed. The file is saved in the control system now, and the program is generated successful. This is the procedure of generating program. And next step, we can use this program to start our processing. Finish.